Hi boys and girls, today you're going to be learning how to make a cute bunny circuit card, and you're going to be able to light up this bunny's nose with a simple LED light, some circuit tape, and a battery. So the first step is that you will color all this in your own creative way, but then once you have it all colored, I want you to flip this over and take a look at the lines that are on here. So when you're using circuit tape, you want to make sure that we don't cut it at every single corner, because we want to make sure that we have a strong connection. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to gently peel back a little bit of the circuit tape at a time so you have some more control. Okay, so I'm only peeling off a little bit like this at a time. I'm going to start here and I'm going to follow the black line with my circuit tape. When I get to this point where we have to make a turn, I'm going to go out a little bit. Then I'm going to fold my circuit tape in the opposite direction so that I'm lined up with that bend. And then I'm going to keep going. So I don't want to make any cuts just yet to my circuit tape. So again, I'm following the line. I'm making a little turn, so I'm going to go backwards with it. So once I've gotten a little bit backwards, then I want to go forward with it. Okay, now right here is very important. This is the part where we're going to be putting on our lights. So there's a positive side and a negative side. The positive side, let me show you. The positive side is a little bit longer. The negative side is shorter, and that's very important for us to make sure that we have the correct order. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our legs outward, and we're going to rest that positive leg here on the line. We're going to put the light on the dot and the short leg over here on this side. So I'm going to continue with my tape so that I have a nice strong connection. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, this is where you're going to need your scissors. So you're going to cut that here. Then you're going to start on this side. I'm going to start where I'm at. And again, I'm just going to peel back a little bit at a time. And it's very, very important that we make sure we have a strong connection to complete the circuit. So make sure you push your tape down on those two wires. Okay, I'm going to pull this out. Again, I go in the opposite direction without making any type of cut just yet. And then I'm going to make my way down here towards the battery. Okay, once I get to the battery, I have kind of stopped with my tape, and I'm going to peel back a little bit more, and I am going to make a tape donut so that the sticky part is facing up. If you have any leftover tape, you might want to peel some of that back to also create a strong connection, and again have the sticky side up. Next, you're going to place your battery on top of your card. The positive side will be up, which you'll see a plus sign right here on your battery. Minus sign will be down, and you place it right here. So this is what the general connection should look like for your circuit card. We started here with one piece of tape. We have our positive side down, our negative side down on the other side, and then another piece of circuit tape to connect with the battery. So let's see if this works. All right, my next step was I just took this and I folded it over so that my light was poking through on my bunny nose, and you can actually see that my blue light is starting to light up right now. You could either see it by pushing this, or if you just kind of hold your card down, you'll see that you have a strong connection that way as well, and you can get your light to light up. So I hope you had a fun time making this, and hopefully you'll make some more of these awesome circuit cards in the future, and then you can decorate this to make it look awesome for somebody to give to them for a nice spring holiday. Have a nice night.